Hey guys, in this quick video I wanted to show you how exactly I made the dashboard in ClickUp. It's actually a dashboard slash CRM, so a CRM for a restaurant, where we can see all the data about our clients, our orders, to analyze it, to do some breakdowns by different ways. So for example, by waiters, by location, by days, to see whatever you want. It's pretty flexible. It has lots of opportunities. So let me show you exactly how I made it, and maybe to inspire you to have something similar in your business. So first, let's see the data structure, how it looks like here. So basically, it's a real data. It's a data that is modified, but it's based on the real data. So here I imported it as a CSV and modified something, but overall the idea is that all the data, every customer's data falls into the list. Every client is like a task in this list. Every client has a name, date when it was added, and some extra fields, for example, birthday date, waiter, location, which type of offer they claimed, what offer amount, order amount, number of this client, phone number, and email. So these are the fields. They're pretty standard, I'd say, for such type of CRM. So every client who comes into this restaurant, they get into the database and they get synced with the ClickUp automatically. So they get here, for example, like here. After this, once it gets into ClickUp, we are able to make something like this, and this is done in a pretty simple way. So let's check editing mode to see. So the top headers, the top widgets, they are made of basic text blocks. So it's nothing special, just the design. So we make just some visual part, like to make it look nicer, to add some chat. If your client wants to ask you something, or to note something, etc. So these are the top levels. Let's go into the widgets with numbers. So the first one, our revenue last month, it's a calculation. It puts order amount currency. So if you check, order amount currency is this field. So it calculates a sum of this field. It's dollars because it's currency, and it has one filter. So in this filter we can see that where date created is last month. So this allows us to see the calculation of order amount currency for the last month. Pretty simple. Same for the year. The filter is 1 year. Same for the average order value, but it's not sum but average. So order amount currency, average, unit dollars. Filter is this year. Orders last month, same thing, but it's not sum, but it's rather count. So order amount currency, count, unit none because it's just a number, plain number. Filter is where they create is last 1 month. So it's pretty simple, you see. Now let's go to the more visual widgets. Coupons claimed daily. So here we can see the breakdown of different types of coupons by days. So let's see how it's made. Name, order left is x-axis. So basically it's order left. So it's, sorry for confusion, it's the count of orders left by date. So the date when order was left is like our x-axis, right? Let me check it quickly. Yeah. Then tasks, number of tasks is y-axis, it's here. So this is how many tasks we got, and we need the breakdown, right? So we group by offer claimed drop down, which is, let me check, this one, offer claimed drop down. So coupon 1, 2, or 3. It's also simple. No filter, because we don't want to filter by some period, we just want to see everything. Same principle works for location, for revenue per location daily. Order left, date of the order left, it goes into x-axis. Order amount currency goes into y, so we get days by revenue, total revenue. And we have two locations, so we want to group by location. It's location drop down, right? Here is the location, our address of the restaurant where order came. So that's it. And then revenue daily, it's the same, but it's without the no, it's just the grouping by status. So order left, again, x-axis, also we can see the dates. Order amount currency is like our y-axis, and group by is status, so number of statuses that we get. Something like this. That's it. Also for the revenue per, so in this case we want to see the revenue made by some particular waiter. So as you remember, we have a field of waiter drop down. So we have order amount currency as a main field, which is here. Then sum, and filter by waiter drop down is Adam, and they created this here, so we limit this to this here, and that's it. Also pretty simple. Same for other waiters, so we can see it's such a nice way, like how much revenue we got. That's it, guys. If you have any more questions, or if you want to get more dashboards like this, just let me know. I'll be glad to share more, and thank you for your attention.